Legend has it, there's an old car by the river, literally swallowed by the hillside. Bandits used to roam this valley, plundering as they pleased and leaving no witnesses. Could this car in fact be a crime scene, preserved by nature, a tomb of the unlucky and innocent? Thor's hammer? Teardrops of a unicorn. Peace and tranquility. Rainbows in a waterfall. Made the bandits thing up. That's not true. But supposedly there's a car. Okay, I'm interested. Welcome to the life of Ben. Every adventure needs a shoe that can take the beating and delivers the freedom each toe deserves. Got Vibrams? Anyone knows the purpose of mosquitoes, please enlighten me. I think I see something. I can get over these rocks. I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park or something, minus the dinosaurs. I'm thankful for that. Is that a tire? A little fixer-upper.